how to use loom. Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with loom. So now first, loom is a video messaging tool that helps you to get your message across to the shareable videos. With loom you can record your camera, microphone, desktop, and your video is then available to share your loom separately. And one more thing, loom is over 14 million people across 200,000 companies use loom to record, share, and review their videos, and they're one of the best platform for creating a video for the collaboration tool and for the top companies. So simply the loom is a simple way that you can communicate with your team and use video recording. So let's get into it. First, you all have to do is to go on Google and type loom.com. Once you will done, you will see a landing page like this. Get loom for free, but we will see that cases, the multiple cases you can use with the team alignment, sales, engineering, marketing, product management, support, education. For the business you will see like enterprise, loom, HQ, customers, security, video hosting, video library. And if you're gonna scroll it down, you will see like looms make screen recording simple. But how? Like you can record your screen, webcam, or both at the same time. Record content in any application on any device and use loom editing features to make your video fun and engaging. And it's never been easy to start your video recording to make a high quality tutorials. So now loom is the best free screen recording for anyone looking to cut down or meetings. So now you can now share video anywhere, anywhere instantly. Like the moment you finish screen recording, your shareable video link is ready. As soon as possible you can hit stop, the link will be copied onto your clipboard and you can share embedded or link your video easily. Over here you will see like you can edit your video in a browser on in the loom app quickly, trim, contact, and you will loom video editor make easy to make your clip shorter and add new one. And even you can stitch multiple loops together into the super loom, into one super loom. Okay, and you will see a make feedback fun. This is a feedback information, we're not gonna go with that. All of the features you will need and more. You will see a lot of features like video download, video editing, customer dimension drawing, something like that. If you want to see their way to use loom, okay, on key over there you will see the three options like communicate effortlessly, give clear feedback. This is not we're gonna do with a mobile team record app. So let's simply get into this. First you all have to do is to sign up with that application. Once you sign up, you will sign up with all of information. You will see a landing page again like this is the main interface, like the loom interface. You will see on the left side my profile, like Michael workspace. You will see like home page, and let me see, go over there. Okay, got here, there we go. First you will see a lot of different videos. Like this is how you can create your video. Like you know, there are a lot of different 4 minute, 2 minutes, whatever you want. You could click on that and create your video. Like they're also gonna be live. Like I would see like 42.82 thousand people are watching this video right now, and you can get over that. You will see over their library. In this you can create your video by simply click record alone. Just click on that, and once you done you will see like screen and camera. Like you will access, you have to access your microphone. You have to allow that your camera, your microphone. Then you have to create line, but I'm not gonna do that right now. You will see that for the notification purpose. You will see a different once again you will see a lot of different videos. And with the setting you will see the personal and workspace. You will go with the personal. I will see that my account Michael Diaz, and you can edit all of the personal information. And with the workspace you will see like there the workspace logo, the membership. You will go with also membership. You have to purchase a plan, whatever you want. Like there we go, like per seat each month is gonna be $10, and you can also use free and $8 per creator per month. This is how you can subscription you can buy and loom app by getting more benefits. Okay, let me see, go with your the home page. So once again this is how like you can sign up your information, and loom is the best platform to create your videos and go through with all these video. And you can use available to share all of the loom technology. And I told you there over all over the world there are 14 million people and 200,000 companies are using this platform to share their video for to make money. Yeah, and this is how you can use. And the best part of the loom is you can also have a simple chrome extension. You can go, you can also you don't want to install the app on your, if you are using desktop, so you can simply go with the Google and you will create your chrome extension. You will edit this platform like you in your chrome. Simply is go with your Google and add the extension to Chrome. You will use over that. You don't want to install the applications in your desktop. So this is how you can use the Loom application. So if you find useful that video, make sure you subscribe that video, and I will catch you on the next video. Have a good